Good morning, everyone. Yeah, no, today, this morning, the 8th of March, yeah, I'm on my way to some bicycle shop. This morning, when I was trying to ride, my bicycle had a cable snap when I was trying to change my gears. I tried to fix it myself. I realized I don't have some of the special tools that they use here. So I'm on my way now to Mall of the North, Cycleway, to get the guys get it fixed. The thing with these guys, man, sometimes you leave the bike here, they'll tell you get it next week Monday, or sometime during the week. So this week I might be left without the bike for me to ride. Yeah. On my way to Mall of the North, Cycleway Company. For the love of cycling. Yeah. This is like my baby. Polokwane Cycleway Company. Yeah, these guys are quite good. It's for the second time I came here. Yeah, I'm expecting a good service from them. Yes, guys, we've arrived at Cycleway. I'm gonna take my baby in. Let's see what's gonna happen, eh? Actually, not what's gonna happen, but how much are they gonna charge me? So, guys, it's me inside the cycle shop. So, yeah, here's my baby here. Very soon, we'll be back in action. So, baby, get ready, eh? Baby's gonna come and pick you up. Okay, Cycleway, cycle shop. Google them, guys. Sure, guys. My baby is in Cycleway. So yeah, they told me that it will approximately take 3 hours. So I just need to walk around the area, see where I can sit. Yes, guys. Yeah, my bicycle has been attended to. It's quite good. It's fresh. My brakes are good. My gear shifting is quite amazing as well. But I discovered these horns here. These are my number one thing. I'm gonna be comfortable with this thing on the long ride. I absolutely love what I just did to my bike now. So now here's the thing. I have decided to leave my car here and cycle back to where I stay, because I'm enjoying my bicycle more than I'm enjoying my car. I don't know, guys, if you can ever relate to that. But yeah, now I'm gonna go back to work, cycle back. I'll ask one of my colleagues to come help me to collect my car. But one thing for sure, I am cycling back to my place with my bicycle. And it can't wait to hit the road, guys. Let's go! This is so joyous, man. This is so joyous. Oh my goodness, I'm loving this, huh? Yeah, and I'm loving this. I'm loving this. The handlebars are so comfortable, guys. So comfortable. Go back! Here I come.